Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Let's learn how to write the letter Y. Capital Y. Start from the top and make a slant down to the right till the middle. Go to the top again and now make a slanting line down to the left till the bottom. Small y. Start from the middle and draw a slant down to the right. Again go to the middle and make a slanting line to the bottom. Now you know how to write the letter Y, so try to write it properly.